eternity of your boat ends today. No! Where are you?
Show yourself, you coward of the underworld! Show yourself!
We come to take what belongs to us, and you can't stop us. Show yourself.
Take it if you can.
We didn't come this far for your drama. Show yourself.
Cohort of darkness! Show yourself!
Show yourself.
The wall is closing up on you. Everyone, show yourself.
It's over for you!
You again?
Yes, it's me again! One of us are going to die now!
You are right. You all will die.
And until you die!
You think you can come kill me with your toys? Try me.
He's manipulating the weather. He's manipulating the weather. It's getting cold. Come see. Show me my sweater.
Must you embark on such a fruitless journey? Something that your ancestors could even take care of.
Because we're a different generation. We got this.
No, you don't. I always had this. And some. So I dare you to justify me. So I dare you to justify me. I'll teach you a lesson.
She's turned into the tree!
Yeah.
Hurry!
Okay.
Holy shit, I can't even move it. Missed
To
it.
unlock the gates
What's going on?
and take the mask, one of you must sacrifice his or her life. One of you must sacrifice his or her life. One of you must sacrifice his or her life.
Who's talking? Where is it coming from? Where?
Sacrifice our life? Sacrifice our life? Okay, listen up, guys. Guys, I regret that it has to come to this where someone has to give their life. But listen, if anyone's gonna give their life, I'm the one that brought you guys in this journey. I don't wish for any of you guys to die. If anyone's gonna sacrifice their life, I do not wish for any of us to die on this journey. I'm the one that brought you into this. I brought you on this journey. If anyone has got to die, it's got to be me. I will sacrifice my life. I will do it. I will sacrifice my life for my people.
No, you don't is the son of a great scientist for an experiment. Dan, you will not die. This is your destiny. As a light worker, I have lived many years of my life. Keep the darkness at the bay. And my destiny is come to fulfillment. I will do it. It's to accomplish as the existence of my existence.
Are you sure, mister?
If we cannot sacrifice for what we want becomes the sacrifice. Just take this to remember me. This is the time to say goodbye to you all. Please take me! Free the mask!
And Mystic, you'll be remembered. You'll never be forgotten. I'll make sure of that.
It's no time to cry.
Listen, Mystic, you'll always be remembered. We will not forget you. Guys, it's getting dark.
We gotta go.
Let's go.
Cassandra! It's okay, let's go.
Hey guys, don't mistake light for darkness, eh?
Who left this child in the middle of the jungle?
Cassandra is a trap. Don't fall for it. Remember, there's no chance, no time for sentiments.
Look at her. She's a child. She cannot harm us.
It's a trap. Cassandra, no! No, don't touch her! Cassandra!
more. Hey, if I am not, that's a more. I am not. That's a more. Who's